Oh, what it do? Oh, what's up? What's up? Okay, for one. It's your girl Crystal, aka Curly Chris, and we are back with another video today. And in today's video, I am sharing with you all how to recover from a protective style when it comes to your wash day. Because y'all know we gotta do a little bit extra, okay? Because it is wash day. We have been protective styling for a very long time at this point. 3 weeks to 2 months, somewhere in that range. So it's most definitely time to give our hair some love, show it some extra love with a little bit more on wash day. So as you guys can see, wait, before I get into the video, what am I doing? If you are not part of the Curly Chris family, okay, if you have not joined the family, if you have not claimed your seat at this table, you need to go ahead and do that right now, okay, by smashing that button down below. I ain't playing with you. Smash that button. Ouch, that kind of hurt. Down below. See how I'm hurting myself for you? I am hurting myself for you. You better pay me back in some subscribing, okay? I better see that you hit that button, okay? Alright, so now that I got that out of the way, now I can continue with today's video. So yes, it is all about the protective style wash day. As you guys can see, baby girl, this hair is a mess. Huh? What'd you say? A mess? Do you see this? It's a mess, okay, sis? And this is the result of my mini twist that I took down a few videos ago. So as you guys know, we had mini twists in our head, and then we went ahead and took them out, and we really got a popping twist out, okay? The twist out was popping, y'all. Way more popping than I ever expected. So now that I have protective style for about 2 weeks and took my twist out and wore that for a few days, it's most definitely time to give my hair some more love. And now we're here, okay? Y'all see how big and matted and dry this hair is? So I know you guys are probably like, well, sis, you only had I only did my protective styling for about 2.5 weeks. However, I know the usual person goes about 2 months. I'm still doing this routine because my hair is going to have excess shedding. I already know it because we know, like, whenever our hair is loose and down like this, which my hair usually is, it sheds daily. However, when it's in those twists, it doesn't really have that opportunity to shed. With protective styling, you're gonna always get shedding when it comes to wash day because a lot of those hairs meant to fall out while you were protective styling, but they couldn't because they were in a style. So I am following this routine because I know I want to show you guys just how much shedding I'm going to have and how that is normal. It's okay to have shedding. Our hair sheds with like 600 strands a day or something like that. So imagine your hair not being exposed for a whole week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, month, 2 months. You're going to have a whole lot of shedding, okay? The routine that I'm going to be showing you guys is not too far off from my normal winter routine, but I do have a few tweaks in there. And mainly what that is I'm going to be using, so I want to use a shampoo on my hair because I most definitely need to shampoo. Once you are finished protective styling, you most definitely need to shampoo, okay? It's not a time to do a cold wash. At this point, it's that time to incorporate that shampoo in your routine because your hair and your scalp is going to have buildup possibly. It most definitely is going to be dirty. It most definitely has not been cleansed in a long periodically time.
We have to sit out here and wait a long periodically time. The buses are nasty. The buses are filthy. The buses is not new.
It has not been cleansed, so it's most definitely time, sis, for you to cleanse those strands, okay? So since it is winter, I most definitely want to use a shampoo that is cleansing but moisturizing. It won't leave my hair feeling stripped because I don't like that stripped feeling in the winter, and I don't usually shampoo that much in the winter. So now that I am doing it for this time, I most definitely still want to have a moisturizing shampoo, but I want my hair to be cleansed, okay? Because it's been in a protective style for a while. I'm giving you guys all these tips because it's very important that you pick the right products prior to shampooing and cleansing your hair after you have protective style, okay? So the shampoo that I'm going to be using is the Mish Cleanse Moisturizing and Cleansing Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Now this shampoo stuck out to me when I was going through my shampoos because it says moisturizing and cleansing, which is exactly what I was looking for, okay? A shampoo that's going to cleanse my hair but still leave it feeling moisturized. So Then moving on to deep conditioners, I want to use a deep treatment on my hair because it most definitely needs a treatment. I have not had a deep conditioner in my hair for about 3 weeks, and if you are protective styling, you have not had a deep conditioner in your hair for 3 weeks to 2 months. So that's a big deal, okay? So you most definitely need to take the time to deep condition your hair. Not no regular conditioner, a deep conditioner, or even more so a deep treatment. It's kind of the same, but it just has like different ingredients or whatever, but it's basically the same with a deep treatment and a deep conditioner, okay? So the one that I'm going to be using, I'm going to be going back to one of my old faithfuls, and that's the Camille Rose LJ Renew Deep Conditioner. And this one can also be a deep treatment. And I'm going to show you guys just how I use it as a deep treatment. If you have never tried this deep conditioner before, sis, you are missing out. It most definitely has a thick consistency, which is exactly what I want, something that's nice and thick and creamy. And it says it's going to hydrate, soften, and strengthen. So that's exactly what I want. It's going to increase the body and shine. It's going to deeply penetrate and re-moisturize dry and brittle hair. That's exactly what I'm looking for today. So the way I'm going to be doing this is I'm going to apply it in the shower, of course, and then I'm going to detangle with it in my hair. Okay, I'm going to detangle, guys, with this deep conditioner, as I always do, because I most definitely want to get all that excess shedding. And then I'm going to apply an oil to my deep conditioner. And that oil that I'm going to be using is going to be the Adwoa Beauty Biomint Oil Blend. And this one is specifically for dry, textured hair. Let me turn my brightness down. And it is specifically for dry and textured hair. And it's nice and thick. So by this oil being so thick, I really do enjoy it because that's what I like to use whenever I finish protective styling. If you have the opportunity right now while you're doing it to sit underneath the dryer, adding heat, do so. I am going to go to work and leave it in my hair because I have to just do something that's convenient for me, and it's not going to harm my hair, okay? I most definitely am stressing the points of sitting underneath the dryer, sis. You can't get around it, okay? You have to sit underneath the dryer after having a protective style in your hair. The dryer allows the product to seep and soak into your hair. You have to do it. There's no getting around it, okay? So let's go ahead, hop in the shower, and do all that good stuff, and let's start cleansing this dry, matted, brittle, post-protective styled hair. Alright fam, so for this video, I'm going to be having a split screen because I was like, why not? I feel like that's kind of cute, kind of cool, okay? So on the left side is a little more zoomed in, and on the right side it's just normal zoomed out. So first step, as always, wet your hair. I already did the right side of my hair, so we're doing the left side on camera. First, I'm going to go in with my shampoo. I know I usually only apply the shampoo to my roots, which is actually what I was trying to do here, believe it or not. But as you guys can see, that changed really quick. But since I am washing after protective styling, I am shampooing my whole head anyway, and I do want to focus that shampoo on the bottom of my hair as well, because the whole part of my hair is protective style, not just my roots. So most definitely want to shampoo the entire head, okay? So what I really love to do is focus the shampoo on my scalp and really get it to cleanse my scalp. So I spend a very long time just massaging that shampoo onto my scalp, and my hair also be itching, so it's kind of counterintuitive, like or counterproductive. Massaging into my scalp because it's dirty and also because it itch, so I'm getting a good old itch as well, a good old scratch in my scalp. Listen sis, we don't scratch our scalp too often, so take advantage of it, especially while you are shampooing. Massage your scalp with the thumbs of your fingers, okay? So I go ahead and do that really well, as you guys can see, and then I bring that shampoo on down, and also make sure to shampoo the ends of my hair as well, because it is most definitely important that you get your hair to be cleansed. Now, like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys whenever my hair sheds, and best believe it shed while I was shampooing, okay? So this is about how much hair came out while I was shampooing this one side. So yeah, guys, a lot of hair is going to come out of your head. Do not be afraid of that, okay? Don't. So now I'm going to rinse that shampoo out and take my time and just run my hands through my hair while the water is running through it. I do this because it's kind of a process of like finger detangling while I wash my hair. So I most definitely finger detangle to help me along the way, which I feel like everyone does subconsciously. Like you're running your fingers through your hair and just take out any excess hairs that want to come out by themselves. So that's what I'm doing right here, just rinsing that shampoo out and also kind of finger detangling, but not really detangling because we detangle with the deep conditioner, but it's kind of like a pre-detangle, you know. So we get all those shed hairs out and we have more shed hair. It's natural, guys. Don't be scared of the shedded hair, okay? Now on to this deep conditioner. You have never smelled this deep conditioner, sis. It smells really, really good, okay? I love it. It has a nice minty smell, like it. No, it's gonna do to your hair, okay? It's gonna cleanse it, sis. So it's gonna condition it, I should say. So now I'm gonna go ahead and split this section into two and really get into the detangling process. Now, y'all, this part right here is when you are going to expect to have the most shedding, okay? Like, expect to have a lot of shedding on this part because we are really going to go in and detangle our hair thoroughly. All the pre-detangling has been done, but this is for the true detangling. I like to make sure I have a lot of deep conditioner on my hair, a lot of slip that helps with the detangling. It helps me not pull excess hairs. There we go. I haven't even detangled yet and I already have some shed hair, so go ahead and get those out. I know I'm not the only one who sticks my hair to the wall of the shower. I know I'm not. Don't judge me. I know you do it too, okay? Sis? It's the most efficient way of sticking our hair somewhere other than letting it go down the drain, okay? So now I'm going to get my wide tooth comb, and I make sure to detangle with a wide tooth comb. I do not detangle with my Denman after I've been protective styling, okay? Normally, maybe I will, but for right now, I know I'm going to have a lot of trapped hair, so I need to make sure that I am getting it well and using something that is not going to pull my hair out. So as you guys can see, I finished detangling this one section. Now I'm going to go in and apply the oil to seal all that moisture on in for my deep conditioning, okay? And then I go ahead and just twist that section up and get it out of the way. So now next we're going to move on to the next section. So I split my hair in fours to apply a deep conditioner, and then I split that fourth into more sections to really detangle well and thoroughly. So as you guys can see, this section was kind of too big to me, so I went ahead and split this section into two as well because I like to make sure that my hair is really detangled, guys. So I split this section into two because that one section just was not getting it. My hair was too thick in that one part, so I was like, let me go ahead and split this again. Do what your hair needs, not what you want to do, okay? Do what your hair needs, not what you want to do, sis. Okay, it's very, very important. So after I go ahead and detangle that section, now I'm going to pull the other section back on down. Well, not yet, because this section was a little bit extra, sis. Okay, it was extra. So now I'm going to detangle that top section as well. So I'm going to follow the exact same steps on the top section of my hair. Apply a deep conditioner and then go ahead and seal it with an oil and then twist it on up and get it out of the way. Very, very simple. And now, so now I'm going to leave my hair into this deep conditioner. Like I'm going to go to work and let it penetrate like I mentioned earlier. So here I am after work, and guys, my hair was so soft. Like, it did not stay on my hair too long or anything. It's a deep conditioner. It did not harm me. If you feel like your scalp starts to feel like it's being agitated, then I will rinse it out after a certain period of time. So then I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out with cool water. Usually you guys know I apply heat to my deep conditioners, but I couldn't do it this time. So I just went ahead and kept it in for work. Guys, just look at how much my hair is like just moisturized and defined. Like my curls popped right on back, sis. Okay, went ahead and pop right on back. So if you feel like your hair needs a little bit more than a regular deep conditioner, I would suggest using like the Indian clay mask or even the Afro-G protein treatment. If you feel like your hair needs protein after protective styling, you can most definitely go one more step beyond as well. I just did not feel like my hair needed it. So this is what my hair is looking like once I'm finished my entire process. And as you guys can see, I am still happy to be finished. And this is how much hair came out of my head when I was finished, guys. It's a lot, but it was most definitely necessary, and I was so happy to see it, okay? So that's kind of the conclusion of my entire routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave me a comment down below, and I'm going to see y'all later. Bye!